welcome back to another video on Let's Cook That. I hope you guys are enjoying all the recipes. Leave your comments down below to see what else would you guys like to see. But for today, we'll be making some barbecue chicken in the oven. So let's get started with those ingredients. Okay, so right here I have some pieces of chicken. You could use any part of the bird that you would like, any parts of chicken. I have drumsticks and thighs, so I have 8 pieces here today. And then we also have 1.5 tablespoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and I have some barbecue. It's up to you, the amount that you want to add to it. If you want extra barbecue on it or light barbecue, so that's up to you. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and combine all of our seasonings so we can mix it all together. What I'm going to go ahead and do is get our chicken, and I'm going to just do a little slices just because I like the flavors to go inside the chicken. So we're going to go ahead and do that to all of our pieces. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and add our seasoning to each and every single piece. We're going to go ahead and rub it on both sides because you want a chicken that's nice and yummy from the inside too. You want it to have a good flavor, not only outside with the barbecue. Once you have all your seasonings on your chicken, let's put it back in the bowl. You could leave it marinating like for 30 minutes at least. If you do it overnight, it's super better because every bite you take, you'll have a delicious flavor. So what I'm going to do now is just put in a little bit of olive oil. And we'll put this in the refrigerator so it can get a good flavor. And then we'll put it in the oven. Alrighty, so now that our chicken is marinated, I'm going to go ahead and put parchment paper on top of our baking sheet, or you could use foil paper, or you don't have to put anything, but then you're going to have more work to clean up. We're going to go ahead and start layering them on in a layer. You leave the skin on because the skin does protect the chicken to not be dry. So then you could take it off after if you don't want to eat the skin. But it's recommended to leave the skin. We're going to go ahead and bake this 375 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. But when it's been 20 minutes, we're going to go ahead and turn them around. So let's go ahead and put this in the oven. And I have a little tip. I usually add a layer of onions at the bottom and then placing the chicken on top. But I did not have no onion today. I was in shock that I didn't have onion because I always have tomatoes, jalapenos, and onions and cilantro at home. But I was surprised that I did not have onion. But it comes out really good if you do add the onions at the bottom as a layer. And if you don't like onions, well then just do it like this. But let's go ahead and put this in the oven and get this chicken cooking. So it's been 25 minutes. What I'm going to do is go ahead and turn this around and let them cook for another 20-25 minutes. Okay, so it has been 45 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add the barbecue. The barbecue, use whichever is your favorite, or you can make your own, but for me it's easier just buying it made because I do have a couple favorites. So we're just going to brush on the barbecue on both sides. Alrighty, so now that we put our barbecue, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the oven for 15 minutes, but the last 5 minutes, I'm gonna put it on broil for 5 minutes so it could get nice and crispy from on top. And I have a tip. Well, it's not a tip, it's my dad's favorite. He would always love me to put chipotle sauce with the barbecue together, blend it, and then pour it over the chicken or your barbecue ribs. It gives it a total different kick of a flavor, and it's very good. Today I didn't add chipotle because they don't want it spicy, but if you love chipotle or love spicy, add barbecue with your chipotle sauce, and it is delicious. But let's go ahead and put this back in the oven. Alrighty guys, our chicken is all done. I plated it to take it to the table. It lasted a total of 1 hour and 15 minutes, and I did check it with the thermometer. It has to reach 165. Mine was 179, so it's perfect. I love it how it looks, really glazed. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your family, and let's do the taste test. Let's get a drumstick. So this is so good, you guys. Every bite you're gonna take, you're gonna taste that flavor of the seasonings, okay? It's very yummy. Enjoy with your favorite dish. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Let's Cook That.